Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can use signposts in our Winesmith, okay, on the PC game, the PC version, but you can use this in any version actually. Now, signposts are basically these little messages that some users are going to give for you. You can just press F to interact with them, and this is going to give you like a message, maybe an image, and maybe like an action, okay, and you can kind of like it if you want. You can do many things actually. You can just interact with it, okay. And you can even enter like a message, like a reaction to this. This is like a social media post basically. Now, how can you actually do this is by using your signpost message coins. I'm going to show you how you can access them, okay? But yeah, whenever you see this, you can just interact with it or you can do not anything. You can also disable them in the options if you're too bothered with this because some of them are very annoying and they are throughout the map, okay? So you can actually just go through the settings and kind of disable them. So yeah, by going to the game and all that. All right, guys, so this is something that you can do as well. Now, how are you going to place them in the map? We're going to go, first of all, we're going to try to place, we're going to try to put a message by pressing enter. As you can see on the top bottom corner, we have like an enter message, like an enter key. If I press it, I'm going to be able to basically write a message, okay, in the channel. I'm going to go to notices and I'm going to click here. And then I'm just going to go to my signpost. As you can see, it says no signpost is placed yet. Okay. Like we have one more here. I'm going to get away from it so I don't get bothered. I'm going to go to my signpost in here. And I'm just going to actually press on this little button, this little, arrow. And as you can see, this signpost cone is going to open. Okay. You have the money back, the waterlay script, and the signposts. Okay, I own 10 currently. You can buy them. This is going to show you like different methods. You can go to the Once Good Craft, the General Goods Store, the crafting function, or the Peddlers Archive Spur. But I'm going to place one of them. Amazing. Now, what am I going to do? I'm just going to type a message, which is going to be testing signpost. You can also add an image, which is going to be basically like you're going to enter in this photo mode. And you can just kind of like, scroll around and all of that until you find your perfect picture. And this is how it's going to look. We can just confirm it. And this is the actual image that the user is going to see. You can also click on appearance to add like an emote as we saw before. And I'm going to play like begging, for example. And yeah, I'm just going to save this action. And after that, I'm just going to place it in here. And there it is, after a few seconds, it's going to actually appear there. Okay? And as you can see, this is how it looks. It looks amazing, actually, and people now can see it and they can react with it interactively. That's pretty much it, and thank you so much.